Come on! check. Shri, that is some amazing energy, man.
Amazing energy, man. This is what we are looking for in future.
Come on, everybody! Hey! 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 Ladies and gentlemen, this is incredible! Woo! Look at everybody, everyone from all the DCs, dancing and having a good time with some really energizing goal beats, yaar. Shri, क्या मजा आ रहा है यार?
Oh my God, this is in forces, guys. This is in forces. Woo!
In forces! Let's go, everybody! If all the DC teams are here, we request you to join your teams and get into formation. Woohoo! Yeah! Audience! Round the cheers, guys! How are you doing? Audience! Everyone that's here, give it up for the amazing gold guys, man. Wow, incredible. And while we're applauding, give it up for yourselves, man. Wow, woo-hoo! Incredible. Let's keep this energy going and let's head into our teams and let's get this.
Party started!
That's right! Alright everyone, we'll see you when you're closer to the stage. Let's continue. Alright? Request all of you to get into your DC formations. Woo! इंडोर बोलो लेकिन हम तो आउटडोर है. Very bad joke. Thank you. Okay guys, let's get into formation. We're about to begin. Woo! All the best! Woo! Thank you.
Echo. मुझे कल ने बोला था मुझे पर आ रहा है मुझे मैंने सोचा मुझे एक ब्रांडेड का बनना है मुझे नहीं पता हमारे ब्रांडेड में ऐसा पूरा गुस्से में जा रही है
क्या है बीच की हालत, क्या है, क्या चल रहा है बीच में, बताना चाहोगे कुछ? You think the ball will bounce?
Anyhow, it's going to be a tennis ball.
Don't underestimate the ball effect. Thank you. My friends at the console, can we have the volume lower, please? Thank you. This is great. You guys are doing awesome, guys. Thank you. Everybody on the PCs. Shoot, you think they're ready?
They are all set to begin. I can see the energy.
They're looking really, really fantastic, man.
They are all in their cultural attires and everybody is beautiful and handsome.
Yes, full-on vibrance is happening today. And all of them are holding up the flags also. They're getting into formation. Yo, PCs! Are you ready?
Can we hear a loud cheer for yourselves?
Are you saying no, we can't cheer for ourselves? Just kidding, guys. Once more, let's do this. PCs! Yay! आपकी आवाज आपके बाजू वालों को भी सुनाई नहीं दे रही है. For kind information. So let's do this one more time. PCs! Awesome! Bangalore's like, yes, we are ready for sure. Don't know about everybody else. Yeah, awesome. Keep that energy going. What about, nice! Amazing. Alright everyone, we're about to begin shortly. Everyone in the audience, how are you all doing? Are you excited to see what's going to happen now? Alright, do you all need a mic? No way, I heard someone say no way. Or did you say yes way? I don't know. But we're really looking forward to doing all of this with you. It's so nice to see you all here. Alright, we're about to begin shortly. In fact, we're almost on the cusp of starting. So hold your breath, but don't hold it for too long. Okay? You know what happens when you hold your breath.
Okay, give me a huge cheer if all the DJs are ready to do this, guys.
ରେକର୍ଡ ଅନ୍ ହେବ କି ଖାଲି ସେସନ୍ ଥିବ ତ ରେକର୍ଡ ହେବନି.
Everyone. Was that a loud cheer by your standards? We want to hear a loud cheer by your standards. Alright? So let's do this together on 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Nice! You rock, guys. I know you can't wait to begin. Neither can we. So let's get this started. Alright? Shri, shall we count down?
Yes.
Is it time to count down? We're waiting for our special guests to join us, and we're also waiting for all the lovely DCs to get into formation. Let's go. Everyone, I want you all to keep in mind that please cheer for your DC when you see them. Alright? Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Audience, can you all hear the goal? I don't know how you're controlling yourselves, guys. I don't know how you're not dancing. Maybe you can stand up where you are and just groove to the beats of this goal, man. Woo!
Okay, and we are here at the moment. Let's get this party started, guys. You all with me? Yes. So, Hussein, let us have that historic countdown begin before we start this historic opening ceremony of Inclusion 2024.
I absolutely agree with you, Shri. But I think if we do this countdown by ourselves, it might not be as amazing as doing the countdown with everybody in the audience. What do you say?
Yes, we want everybody to join us.
Everyone to join us.
Everyone to join us.
Alright, let's do this. Okay.
I guess the DCs are gearing up to join.
The DCs are gearing up to join.
Yes.
And the whole beats are incredibly awesome. Everyone's having a good time.
And everybody is in their line with their ethnic wear. All that is pulling for the day.
Really incredible, man. Incredible. Okay. Audience, we need your help with the countdown. We're going to start the countdown from 10. Will you do it with us?
Yes, DCs are loud cheer.
Beautiful. Shri, shall we begin?
Yes. We go from
10,
9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Are taking their positions. We've got everybody coming in. We've got the Bangalore DC anchored by Karthikeyan Balasubramanian. Ladies and gentlemen, when you hear the DCs, give them a massive round of applause. Woo! Bangalore with Karthikeyan, Bhubaneswar DC with Partha and Amanesh Kumar Nayak. Chandigarh Mohali with, led by Dipender Kaur. Chennai, led by Satish Kumar Gopalan. All the Thalanas coming here, huh? Woo! Nice. Coimbatore, let's hear you guys. Coimbatore led by Selva Kumar. What are you guys going to do? And then we have Gurgaon led by Saurabh. Gurgaon, where are you? Gurgaon's making their way. Bangalore BC coming in with a lot of noise. Eric South. We've got the Hubli BC coming in, led by Devdutt Valvekar.
And then we have Hyderabad led by Vamshi Murthy from Hyderabad. Guys, where are you? Woo! And then Indore led by Amit Dubey and Yapita.
क्या बात है, आवाज से देखो यार.
Amazing Indore, amazing. Then we have Jaipur led by Gupta Vikas and Rohit Sharma.
रोहित शर्मा, ये नाम सुना लग रहा है मुझे.
Rohit Sharma.
Woo!
And then we have Kolkata led by Soumitra Das. Where are you, Kolkata guys? Woo!
Nice. Bangladeshi. Nice.
We have Mangalore led by Roshan D'Souza.
All right. It's an insane energy.
Yes. And then we have Mumbai led by Pankaj, Sandeep, Chirag and Akash. Mumbai, 3 cheers guys, come on.
Crazy.
Then the hot
Beautiful.
Mysore DC by Sujit. Mysore guys, where are you?
Home team. Home team.
Yes.
Nice.
We have Nagpur led by Pranay and Anuj.
What's up, Nagpur?
Guys, amazing.
Look at them. They look so nice. All of them are so beautiful.
Yes, and moving on, we have Noida by Alok and Mayank.
Where are you, Noida? Noida! Noida's coming in with their hands raised. आवाज सो क्या हुआ भाई? Noida! Nah, it's not what we're talking about.
Okay, give it up for Pune DC led by Anil, Sunil and Nishal. Yes.
Whoa!
And then
Crazy.
we have Trivandrum DC led by Smita and Mithun.
Give it up for Trivandrum, everybody! Trivandrum, where are you? Trivandrum!
Woo! Yes.
Louder, guys, louder, louder, come on! Where are you guys? Some Puttu Kerala in the house, man! Trivandrum! That's what I'm talking about!
And then we have the City of Destiny, Vishakhapatnam, led by Prabhakar. Yes!
My parents in Vishakhapatnam is doing this. पुष्पा नाम सुन के फ्लावर समझा क्या? क्या बात है? फ्लावर में फायर ओपन! पर एक बात बोलना चाहता हूँ यार श्री, वो डायलॉग के ऊपर I just remembered, it's not just them, all of them are looking like fire, man. Guys, let's give it up for all of you one time, man. Come on, a massive round of applause.
Inclusion 2024, and come on, cheer for yourselves, guys, everybody! Yes, we understand.
Louder.
Isaac and Hyderabad DCs, we understand.
क्या बात है? Crazy guys! Whoa! They all come ready with their war cries, man! But is that it? Dalwadi Churro! Alright, the Hubli DC has just come. Hubli guys, where are you? Make some noise! Alright! Okay. Since all of you have your own war cries, Do the others also have the word cries? We heard Vizag doing Jai Balaya, Jai Jai Balaya. Alright, we heard Rajasthan, we heard Jaipur doing Bal Bali Churma.
Come this side. This is like.
Rajasthani Surma. Who else do we have? What else do we got? Wait. Hang on, everybody. Hold on to your horses because she and I are going to come to you guys. And then let's hear your war cry, everybody. Alright, are you ready? I can't hear you. Are you ready?
Can we have a big cheer, guys? Come on!
Let's go. We're going to hear your war cry, Shri. Come on. Who do we start with? Let's start with them right in the front. Right at the front. Alright, guys, we're heading to you. Do you all have a war cry? What PC are you?
Random busy.
Trivandrum! And you all want the mic?
Okay, you have your war cries? You guys have war cries?
You have a slogan?
Okay, if you don't have, you can do it. Trinity Tuskers. Right? Okay, on the count of three, will you be doing it? Yes, guys, everybody has to pay attention for their war cries and be prepared with yours. We're coming your way. Principal, share the road. Tuskers no longer. That's
That was a
200 PC Trinity Tuskers for you guys.
So, thank you for fanning me. All the best, Trivandrum! Kill it! And now we're here at the good town. What do you guys call? What are they called? What do you call? Guru Bhari Naam Bhai. Bhari Naam Bhari Var. क्या है आपका कारोबार? Okay, you guys have a war cry. Shall we check out the war cry?
Okay, on the count of 3, 2, 1. I can see their emotions.
क्या था?
I can
क्या
see
क्या?
their emotions.
आक्रमण!
Amazing, I can see all of your emotions. So true.
Crazy guys, आक्रमण करिए. देखते हैं क्या होता है. यहाँ पे रोडिंग. Tuskers है हमारे पास warriors है. Right? अब दिख भी वैसे वार मत करना मुझे यार please. Thank you. I've been specifically told not to laugh on the mic, so I'm going to try to refrain from doing that. Alright, we're here with Bangalore. What's happening, guys? They are waiting for the moment so we can take the championship home. All of you.
The Bangalore team is waiting for the moment to take the championship home.
Crazy. You guys have a war cry. Do you want to do it? Go ahead and do it. What are you all waiting for? Christmas is almost Christmas, man. Come on.
So on the count of 3, 2, 1. Bangalore, everybody start. Bangalore, play hard. Amazing energy, guys.
Can you say Bangalore Brave Hearts? Wow, inspired by Mel Gibson. Nice. Very nice. Now we're in Nagpur. पुणे. आप सबने ऑरेंज पहना हो यार. मैंने सोचा आप ऑरेंज के शहर से होंगे. नागपुर. But my bad. I stand corrected यार. No problem. What's happening? पुणे. कैसे हो आप सब?
Yeah, good. I have something special.
I'm going to hold the mic for him.
Okay, he's doing something special. All the DCs, eyes work.
Requesting all DCs to look towards Pune because they're doing something special. Alright, Pune, are you ready? What's your name, sir? We have Prashant from Pune. Prashant, take it away, right?
Thanks, sir.
Ganapati! Gurupati! Pajay! Shri Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj ki. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj ki. Jai Bhavani. Jai Shivaji. Hara Hara. Hara Hara. Piyari. 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 Guys, Prashant, that was incredible. Everybody, what do you feel about that water, yaar? मैं तो सीधा मतलब 17th century में ट्रांसफर हो गया. Okay, all the DCs, be prepped with your war cries. We're going to come back to you for your war cries in a bit because we've got a very special person who's here with us right now. All right, so we're going to start with all the war cries again in a bit. Conserve your energy. Get ready for your war cries. But right now, you have to help us welcome a very, 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 very special person who's come here all the way to be with us today.
Are you guys ready for this? You ready? I'm here. You want? Come on.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, today you are going to be over the moon because louder! Louder! Come on!
Welcome, and this is Infosys.
Everyone in the audience, all the DCs are here right now, and every single member of the fraternity, in true Infy style and in true Infosys fashion, please help us welcome with a fabulous round of applause, none other than Ruturaj Gaikwad! Let's see the applause for everybody. Come on, let's see the applause for it. Let's hear it for Ruturaj, everybody. Woo!
Requesting you to maintain your views and one step behind Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, everyone in the DC, as she just said, request you all please move a step behind the line. Thank you so much.
So, yes, when we begin here, Huzaifa,
Yes, Sri.
so want to get into a little details and say how grandeur this event is planned.
Beautiful, beautiful, yes.
So, over the last few months, 15,000 participants from across all 20 Ds developed and have their best talent represent in their DCs in the first ever Infusion event.
Amazing. Give it up for yourselves, guys. 15,000 of you participated in this this event. A massive round of applause for all you guys. Incredible stuff. Incredible stuff. And how many people are here today?
Yes, coming to that, of all the participants, over 8 of which only 250 will win.
What? 60,000 people participated. 800 are here in the finals. And only 250 are going to win.
It's all for all the participants over here. So
Wow.
this is Inclusion 2024. All the participants, cheer for yourselves. You are an amazing bunch out here.
What a master feat! What a master feat! All of you that are here today, you've made it over the last few months. You've been in grueling tournaments. You've played your heart out, and you're here right now. So, Shri, you know what? I actually want to ask them. I want to hear from them. How do they feel about being here? How do you feel? Insane. I think you feel a little low on energy. That's the vibe I got from all of you. You're tired, huh? Are you tired? Are you tired? How do you feel, everybody?
Even someone, how do you feel?
That's what we're talking about, guys. Now that's the spirit of the finalists for Inclusion 2024. You know,
Before, we have been doing war cries of different DCs. Don't you think we need to have infusion war cry which will go on with all the
maybe we can do a little bit of brainstorming. Guys, we're thinking we'll come up with a war cry. आप सबके अलग-अलग war cries तो है for your own DCs. But we're thinking, Fusion, what do you say? Everybody's saying no. So let me ask you a question. Would you be here if it wasn't for Infosys? So I assume, don't you think that it would be a nice token of gratitude to actually... That's such a thunder exercise. I'm like, कोई चाय भी नहीं आया है.
Okay, we'll do this thing. We'll give them this war cry and I guess that will amp up their energies.
I think, yeah, I agree with you.
Yes.
Let's go for it. What do you have in mind?
So what I have in mind is very simple. So we say, me and Hussefa will say dan dana dan and you guys should say infusion, right?
Are you clear? Are you clear? Okay, we're going to demonstrate it for you once.
Yes, go for it.
Dan dana dan dan!
Infusion!
Wow, these guys pick up everything pretty fast. No wonder you're over there in Infosys, man. Some of the smartest minds in the country, yo. Dan dana dan dan!
Infusion!
Dan dana dan dan! Woo! Amazing! Okay, so I think this is something that you can all remember for all the infusions to come in the coming years. All of you, you all are amazing, you've got it. But I think it would be nice to involve, look towards everybody who understands. Let's look at them, alright? And let's get them involved. Everybody understands. We need your support. So when we...
Infusion!
Let's go! Run, 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 run!
Infusion!
Wow! Incredible! I could hear all of you right here.
I guess this is for the warm-up, but shall we go to the exact Dhandana now?
Let's
Let's
do it.
all the DCs and the Mysore DC folks sitting over there come with us to say infusion. Okay guys, on the count. Three. Dan 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 dan. Infusion. Dan 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 dan. Infusion. Dan 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 dan. Infusion. Okay, is there energy enough for you guys or should we try again?
One more time, one more time.
Yes. So again. Dan 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 dan. Infusion. Once again.
Wow.
She finds energy. Energy, you guys. It's all making sense when you are here with all that energy pulled up.
Shri, you know what? It's so crazy how they've all been here, standing for a long time, playing games, but they've still got this massive, massive energy going on, man. Hats off to all of you, man. Come on. Let's give it up. Let's give it up. Let's give it up for all of you one more time. Woo!
Yes, so Huzaifa, this is Infosys and this is Infusion 2024 that we are having right in front of us. So here, it's an absolute delight and honor to be your host today. So I am Shri Samya and I have
Huzaifa, me, next to her, being with ONC today, and the both of us are absolutely honored to be your MCs for this magical, amazing evening filled with such lovely people over here, over there, and of course, right in front of all of us. So thank you for this opportunity, everybody.
Yes, doing it with a little Infosys style. As we gear up to kick things off, no Infosys event is complete without the involvement, guidance, direction and participation of our dear leaders. In keeping with the Infi spirit and in true Infosys fashion, it's time to be inspired and motivated by our leadership. And to deliver the welcome address, please help us welcome with a thunderous round of applause Arun Hoskeri, EVP Head, Business Strategy, Planning and Operations.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up. Please give it up. Please give it up for none other than Arun Hoskeri. Hi guys, how are you? So it's an honor to have you. Take it away.
Thank you so much. Thank you for building up the energy. It's been an amazing last 30 minutes. I was watching, the energy was palpable.
Wow.
Sitting there, we thought we should be in the center of the pitch, showing off our skills as well. So, thank you so much for this opportunity. I'm extremely excited to be here, to be part of this amazing event, which brings people from all our DCs to come together and create a true magic. The true magic in terms of bringing your skills, your capabilities, as well as camaraderie within the teams, as well as across the teams. So welcome once again everyone to this amazing event of Infi Tribes. What an amazing journey it has been of Infi Tribes. Last 2 years, we have started this journey, and it's been an event which has picked up momentum, not just in one DC, 2, 3, 4, but across 20 plus DCs. And now it's going places even beyond the shores of India. But to get to see every one of you participate in this event, it's an amazing place to be in. And the energy is great. Look at this event to be an event which brings you and your teams together to compete intensely, to compete with skill, to compete with energy, but to compete with the sportsman spirit which we all live for. Keep the value system of Infosys up, right up there, to ensure integrity, transparency and fairness is always in the forefront of what we do, whether at work or on the sports field. On this special day, I would like to take this opportunity to welcome an amazing sports star of India. That is Rituraj Gaikwad. Give it up for him. A superstar in the making, already a superstar in Chennai. But I am being a Bangalore fan. I still love him. I would like him to play amazing innings for India in CSK, but against RCB he can go a little slow. Welcome Ritu to this event. We are honored to have you participate in this infusion event and gives a lot of energy to our youngsters to be showcasing their talent. As you know, This event started a few months back and we have had more than 15,000 people participate in this event. And this event has brought all of you together. All of you who have come from different DCs but you've not met each other ever. But this gives you the opportunity to interact, communicate, as well as collaborate with each other. Take this opportunity to make new friends, to make new connections, to build new skills, and to take home the pride of being part of Infosys tribes, Infosys, and also part of this journey of creating something special and magical for Infosys right up here. So on this great occasion, I would like to take this opportunity to wish each one of the teams all the very best and wish you great success, especially to my Bangalore team right up there, but I would like to wish the same to all the teams here. And I look up to each one of you for your energy, for your passion, for your commitment, and let it keep coming. All the very best, and thank you once again.
Thank you so much, Arun, for that electrifying and inspiring welcome. By the way, in portions, we have someone special with us. We have the CHRO of Infosys, Shaggy Matthew. Give it up for him, guys! I would also take a moment to thank all the executive leadership present here with us.
Thank you all for being here. It's truly an honor to have you all here. Ladies and gentlemen, we have an extremely special guest. As Arun was saying, sir, thank you for that electrifying speech. Ladies and gentlemen, can we hear it once for your leader, Arun Hoske? Wow, thank you. And now, it is time to invite a very special person on stage. We're absolutely thrilled to introduce him to all of you. He's an Indian international cricketer. Keep the applause going. He captains Maharashtra. He's the current captain of Chennai Super Kings in the Indian Premier League. He was the leading score runner in the 2028 IPL season. He's the only player to score a century against Australia, the international team in the T20s. Ladies and gentlemen, at such a young age, he's an exemplary example of dedication, passion, commitment, and most importantly, a never say die spirit, which is also very, very resonant with everyone here at Infosys. So without further ado, help Sri and I welcome with a thunderous round of applause. Let's keep the applause going, ladies and gentlemen. We're delighted to introduce you to Ruturaj Gaikwad. Guys, we've got Ruturaj on stage, so what do we do? Whistle for the man! Come on! What do you think? What do you think? Amazing! Amazing! Let's hear from Ruturaj. Let's hear from him how he's feeling about being here with all of us at the Infosys Mysore campus and Infusion 2024. So we'd love to hear from you. Kaise ho? How are you feeling?
First of all, good evening all.
Can I please invite you Bring them forward to the front of the stage. Come on, everybody! Look at that strike ball!
Good to be here. Actually, didn't expect Infosys to be such great, such a lovely place. And good to see some CSK fans here as well. Actually, obviously, Arun sir did mention that he wants me to score less against RCB. So I did manage that. I got on a 0 last year. So, no, obviously, great place to be here. Lovely to see such a huge crowd, huge atmosphere, lovely atmosphere, and really looking forward to it. Thank you.
Thank you. I think the true thank yous have to be said by us to you for being here today. So thanks a million. It's with everyone today.
Thank you.
Especially because this is a cultural and sporting event. And everyone you see here has worked really hard, man, over the last couple of months. And now we're
I'm sure.
Is there anything you'd like to say to them? Because we actually have matches going on over the next couple of days on multiple sports. So any tips you'd like to give them?
Nothing, just play hard, play with the right spirit, and little extra wishes to the Pune team. Little extra wishes to the Pune team, and also extra wishes to the ones who keep supporting Chennai Super Kings. So,
Thank you. You know what? Come on, everybody! Woo! So, you see all the madness, right? You see all the madness? So we need your help. Can I go out on the limb and ask you for your help? Okay. We've got about, ladies and gentlemen, you have to listen to this. It's extremely exciting. We've got a whole bunch of tennis balls signed by Yuvraj. And I'd love to invite you, I'd love to request you to just like smash them into the audience, man.
sure.
Yeah, alright, audience, are you ready? DCs, are you ready? Infosys, are you ready? Alright, let's do this, everybody. Woo! Who are all the balls? Everyone who got the balls, raise your hands. Who the balls in that, man? Come on. Who got the, oh wow. I see a bunch of people with the balls in their hands. So extremely kind of you. Thank you so much for doing this. Ye to, this is something that they have with them which is for life. Like this is a keepsake.
It is obviously, I've been the one person where been and won an IPL game, and I was one of them as well to get a signed ball or a signed autograph t-shirt and everything, so I'm sure it will be special.
Really lovely. Thank you so much.
Okay, so Neeraj, before we go into this segment, I just want to ask you this small question. I know that you are really gearing up and prepared for your IPL 2025, right? Yes. Yes. So are you prepared for this fiery rapid fire chat that we are having here in Fusion 2024?
Little more nervous than a cricket match.
It's okay. Me and my team are here to make you comfortable. I request Naina Bharadwaj to take up this segment with Rutraj Gaikwad. Naina on stage.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Nano! And one more time for this very special fireside chat, exclusive fireside chat, and Infusion 2024 with Rutraj Gaikwad and Nano! Let's hear it for everybody. Sure, take it away, guys.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. How are you doing today? Infusion participants, can I have some energy? How are you doing today? Yes, that's the energy we are looking at. So we are very lucky today to have a true Indian gem of cricket here with us. The one and only Rutraj Gaikwad. Can we hear a huge round of applause? From his remarkable batting skills to his infectious energy on the field, Rutraj has captured the hearts of millions. He has risen through the ranks with determination and flair. He is not just a cricketer, but a symbol of the new age Indian cricket spirit. He has very quickly become a name that resonates with consistency, passion, and pure cricketing brilliance. Rutraj, welcome to Infosys once again, and thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much.
Infosians, are we ready? Can I see some more energy? Are we ready? Yes. And this one attempt is from me, Rutraj, for you. Rutraj, kasa es?
एकदम मजे.
तुम्ही तयार आहात क्या?
एकदम.
Okay. So before we get to the rapid fire questions, I'm sure that the audience would love to know you better as Rutraj Gaikwad beyond the cricket field. So there are a few questions which I would like to know, we like to know about you. So the first one would be, if you weren't a cricketer, what alternate career would you have preferred?
I think in the campus today, for sure I would have loved to work for Infosys. But obviously I think I loved tennis a lot as well. And I think tennis was something which I was doing excitedly. And definitely if not cricket, then definitely I would have loved to be a tennis player.
Amazing. We would like to go by the first answer that you would love to be an Infosys employee. What say Infosians? Will Rutraj be a true blue Infosian? Yes.
There will be a lot of work for other companies of me. So hopefully they'll agree to that.
Absolutely. So how did the interest of cricket get instilled in you, Rutraj? Like, what made you feel that you would want to be a cricketer?
I think it's because of my parents for sure. I think they were the ones who took me out to play cricket on cricket fields and took me out to watch international matches and then somewhat IPL matches as well. So that's how I think the interest grew. And obviously after a point where you come to a conclusion where you want to pursue studies or you want to take up cricket. So I think that was completely my decision, and by the time I realized that I had little bit of talent in me, little bit of hard work would definitely take me to some kind of level. Didn't dream of obviously playing for India or playing for any IPL team, but it's the hard work of my parents, my friends, my coaches, everyone sacrifices. So through that, I'm able to be here.
Amazing, amazing. Most of us would be able to relate to this, isn't it? Yes. So if I remember right, Ruturaj, the first time you represented India was in the year 2021 against Sri Lanka. So how was that experience? You represented India for the very first time.
I think pretty emotional experience. You work hard for something, and you suddenly come to a place where you feel like you're top of the mountain. You see the people around you, your family members, obviously parents, as I said, friends, so many coaches, so many sacrifices has been done throughout the journey. And if you see, the journey has been started since when I was 12 or 13 years old. So it's been a long journey. So definitely getting a cap is always an emotional moment, and for me it was the same as well. But I knew it was just a start of the journey, and there was still long way to go. So pretty much happy for my parents, for my coaches, for everyone who did a lot of sacrifices for me.
Absolutely, and we are all very proud of you as well. Aren't we, folks? Are we all proud of Ruturaj Gaikwad? Thank you. And now that you spoke about being the captain of CSK, so the audience would also love to know this one question, that what is one memorable moment in the CSK dressing room?
I think one memorable moment where I guess not many people will like, but my first match as an IPL captain was against RCB, and we had won that match. So that was one, and obviously not many get an opportunity to Captain Dhoni, so I'm grateful for that, and be grateful forever.
Absolutely. Do we have CSK fans here? As we are seeing the incredible energy of the audience here, so we all know that CSK fans are incredibly passionate. How does their support help you, or what does their support mean to you?
Obviously, it is something, it lifts up our spirit when we play, when we're in a pressure situation. I think the crowd support really helps a lot, and I think CSK, I've been part of CSK since 2019 now, and it's been such a loyal fan base, hugely spread across country, lots of love, such a lovely people, obviously. And I think not only CSK, I feel RCB also has a very good fan base.
Absolutely. Do we have RCB fans as well? And CSK? Okay, so we have a quick rapid fire questions now, Ruturaj. IPL or international cricket? Which gives you more adrenaline?
International cricket.
Any specific reason?
I think playing for your country, playing for India is above everything else, so for sure it is something which everyone aspires to.
Absolutely. Any favorite music playlist before a big match?
Mostly it's of Imagine Dragons. It is something which motivates me, and something which keeps me calm, something which keeps me focused, so I like to listen to that.
Okay. One team member who has the best fashion sense in the team. Come on, folks. He can say his own name as well. Look at him today. Look at him today.
No, I think by far reach, Dhoni has to be the most. I've seen so many phases of him now. Obviously with the short hair, with the sharp look, with the beard look, and he's always someone who's fit since the last so many years. He's 43 now, but he's still fit and good. So I think he's one of the most stylish players for sure.
Always a sixer in every way. One funny incident from IPL which you can share with us. There would be many, I'm sure.
For sure, there will be many, but I think one of the incidents that kept on happening the last IPL was, me not winning the toss, and in the dressing room after a stage there was a point where I used to come from a toss, and everyone used to be disappointed in me. And once we finished the game, there were times where I scored 100, I scored a 50, we have won a very good game. But still I can clearly see the disappointed faces looking at me that at least one thing they always said to me was, scoring runs, taking wickets and winning the game is still fine. But one basic thing as a captain you have to do, that's winning the toss. So that's one thing which carried out throughout the IPL, and I hope that I win some next year.
Absolutely. Do all the captains agree here? Winning the toss is important? Okay. They think that it is important. Okay. Now that you're the captain of CSK, Ruturaj, just want to know, out of curiosity, have you learned or picked up any Tamil word or a phrase?
Just to be pretty okay and
And whistle border! How has playing sports transformed you as a person?
Well, a lot, to be honest. As a person, as an individual, I think team sport always, gives you an opportunity to meet a lot of people, meet a lot of talent. There are so many talented cricketers, so many talented players, and you get an opportunity to learn from them, especially in somewhere like IPL. There are a lot of international cricketers, we share the dressing room with them. And I think sport has taught me so many things, it has taught me not to give up something which, I follow into daily life as well. And, something which, there's always a setback, there are always ups and downs, but I think sport teaches you not to give up till the very end. It teaches you to be disciplined in your daily life, and obviously to enjoy every part and every success and every sadness throughout the journey. So I think obviously it's good for your body and health as well. So I think definitely I would encourage everyone here to pick up some of the other sport.
Absolutely. That's the sportsman spirit we talk about. In a competitive environment like cricket, how do you maintain friendships with players from other teams? I'm sure there's going to be rivalry and there is immense competition every time. So how is the friendship which is managed and maintained there?
I think friendship is something which is more of often used in a off-field situation. I think when we are on the field, I think we are in a war where everyone likes to compete, everyone likes to win, and everyone gives more than 100% to win for the team. So I think we all accept that, and sometimes things can go out of control as well. But that is, I feel, natural human behavior, and I think not many players carry that often. More often than not, they don't carry it when they go back to the dressing room or to the hotel as well. So I think, as I said, even if we have rivalries, we have players where we have certain personalities where they have more of adrenaline in them. But I think off the field, everyone is more than happy to share whatever it is and be more friendly.
Absolutely. Folks, did you take notes of that? Are we seeing any rivalry here? Okay. So considering the time, one last question, Ruturaj. Growing up in Maharashtra, what is that one local dish that reminds you of home?
think nowadays, since I've been on a tour for a longer time now, and very less time I get at home. Obviously, home food is something I miss a lot, but I think one thing which I'm pretty much looking forward every time when I come to India or when I come to Pune is misal pav. That is something I'm always looking up to, irrespective of I get out on 0 or get out 100. That is something which I feel is a must for me, and I love it. Since childhood days, I love vada pav as well, but misal pav is something I love a lot.
So for more misal pavs and vada pavs, unfortunately, that's our time, guys. Thank you so much, Ruturaj, for being such a sport. Thank you so much, and all the very best for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow. Shri, what did you think of that rapid fire, man?
It is amazingly fiery. So I thank Naina for this amazing rapid fire and Ruturaj for being very candid and very humorous. Thank you so much.
Akka, let's get your mic. My friends at the console, you made the grave mistake of switching Ruturaj's mic off. How can you do this, guys? Come on. Just saying. Come on, let's get the mic off.
Might be someone from RCB.
That was a really good one, everybody. Let's hear it one more time for Ruturaj Gaikwad. Can we call you Rutu? Or Ritu? What do you prefer? Rutu. All right. Rutu, thank you for extending that kindness to us. We appreciate it. So everyone, Rutu is here. We've been calling him officially now, Ruturaj Gaikwad. Now he's a part of the Infosys family. So let's hear it for Rutu! That's it. Amazing. Thank you. It's a pleasure to have you.
Thank you so much, and obviously all the best to everyone. With lastly special wishes to the Pune team.
As is very clearly evident, we've got a lot of diehard cricket fans, okay? And a lot of diehard youth fans also, okay? Now, amongst all of these amazing fans, we also have an executive leader who's not only a massive fan, but he's also dedicated about a little over 3 decades of his life to being here at Infosys and serving the Infosys community. He's been an integral part of making things possible here, and the entire growth journey has been witnessed by him. He's seen it go through its various stages. And, ladies and gentlemen, just on the 7th of December, it marked his 30th work anniversary with Infosys. And, to honor his work.
So here we need your help for this.
Yes.
So his honor, his work, his commitment and his contribution for everybody at Infosys, we cannot give him anything and that would not really reach a stage. But we want to gift him an amazing moment with you, with your permission, so that we could make his 30th year a wonderful memory with him. You ready for this?
Sure, why not?
So,
Thank you. That's really sweet of you. Thank you. So the help we need from you is, we'd actually like to first call him on stage. We'd love to call this phenomenal leader on stage. He's completed 30 years with Infosys, guys. Give it up for one and only Arun Hoske! Lovely. Thank you so much. So,
Arun, how are you feeling? So this is the moment that we want to gift you. I know we do crazy milestone celebrations, but this has to be for etched in your heart forever.
and
So we have this personalized Rutulat signature badge from him to you to keep this memory etched forever in your life.
let's go! Come on!
Thank you so much, Shaji and the entire team and the leadership of Mysore. And thank you, Ritu, for this. It's been a journey of 30 years, but it just feels as if I've been here for a few years only. It's truly been a journey where, the excitement, the energy has continued to be there, and that's because of the teams, the people whom I work with, and truly the energy from sports, as Ritu said, has something which has kept me on over all these 3 decades. But we still have a long journey to still continue, right? And that's important. And that's what I'm looking forward to. Thank you for all your well wishes. Thanks Shaji and the leadership team for this opportunity.
Okay, give it up for Arun Bhaskar and Torsions!
What an amazing present. The idea was that Arun has given 30 years of his tireless contributions to Infosys. This is us gifting him a special moment. Thank you so much. Ritu, it's incredibly kind of you, man. Thank you so much. We really appreciate it.
Thank you so much, Arun.
Give it up for Arun Bhaskar, eh? And give it up for Ritu! Ladies and gentlemen,
ओ भैया जी पीछे लाइव चल रहा है
ladies and gentlemen, you watch a lot of cricket, you watch a lot of sports, and Ritu, I'm sure you've seen a lot of trophy reveals, haven't you?
Of course, hugely grateful to be part of 2 IPL winning trophies as well.
Alright! It's like he's come to give all the right answers. The moment that we've all been waiting for, everything has been leading up to this instant. It is now time to present to all of you the amazing, the irreplaceable Infusion 2024 trophy. So are you ready to get it unveiled, everybody? Who's gonna win the trophy? To everyone in the audience, when you see the trophy revealed, that's when you let the balloons go, alright? Until then, hang on to them for dear life. Thank you.
Yes, moving ahead, I would like to call upon Shaji Matthews, SRO Infosys, Thiru, EVP and Head of ETA, Santosh Nair, Vice President, Group Head, Employee Relations. Okay, now the twist, by the time the leaders come onto the stage, we have all your DC heads present here. Once I call them up, will you be with me cheering for them? Okay, Praveen Kulkarni, Pune DC. Vinayak Vaidya,
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to see what the Infusion 2024 trophy looks like? Alright, let's go! Shri, what do you say? Are you ready? Release those balloons when you see the trophy unveiled. Alright, let's go everybody. 3, 2, 1, go! Masterpiece. Well, one of the DCs is going to take that trophy home. Who's it going to be? Well, knowing the energy, it could be any one of you. We wish you the very best. Dear leaders, we thank you immensely.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you so much.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you all. Mysore, I think with Lal Sahar, good, it's all good, better, best. Don't let it